Quick and easy soup with no fuss. Let's start. I boiled some chicken earlier and had leftover broth, so I'm using that. I didn't strain it, so there are still some small pieces of meat in it. I'm adding a bit of more water and bay leaf. Please subscribe so you don't miss more delicious and interesting recipes. And tell me, what is your favorite soup? While we wait for the broth to boil, let's make the sauté. Chop the onion, grate the carrot, and cook everything slowly in vegetable oil over low heat. Cut the potatoes and add them to the broth. Once the potatoes are cooked, I like them a little soft and falling apart. Add the sautéed vegetables. Honestly, the soup would already taste amazing like this, but I decided to add a little sausage too. I am taking a couple slices of salami and frying them lightly. Then I add them into the soup as well. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Be careful with the salt, because your broth may already be salty and the sausage adds salt too. Let it cook for about another 20 minutes, then serve. You can also add some fresh herbs on top. Enjoy your meal!